Find features that differentiate it from other brands for wepvo, Mini Rotatable Projector Portable with Electronic Focus and Auto Keystone. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Electric focus and auto keystone correction. Say goodbye to tedious adjustments. Achieve sharp clarity in seconds via the remote control. Even seniors and children can operate it effortlessly. Featuring vertical keystone distortion correction, it instantly detects every projector movement and projects a perfect rectangular image, delivering distortion-free visuals. 180 degrees rotatable video projector. This wepvo projector features an 180 degrees adjustable stand, allowing you to project effortlessly from any angle, whether on a table, bedside, wall-mounted, or ceiling, providing flexible viewing options for any space. Bluetooth 5.4 audio. With built-in stereo speaker, you can enjoy a cinematic audio-visual experience without connecting external speakers. Also, this mini projector built-in Bluetooth 5.4 technology to make the audio synchronization faster and more stable. With this Bluetooth projector, you can connect your ideal Bluetooth speakers or headphones wirelessly at any time to get more wonderful sound. Please note, Bluetooth connection is only for audio transmission with audio devices, Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth headphones and more, which cannot be used on smartphone screen mirroring. Enjoy endless entertainment. Simply plug a TV stick, not included, into your home projector to start streaming millions of videos from the stick's built-in Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and more. No TV stick? No problem. Easily connect your laptop or computer via HDMI for endless entertainment. Wireless screen mirroring. The wireless portable projector with 2.4G plus 5G dual-band Wi-Fi adapts the Wi-Fi smartphone synchronized screen technology without lag or frame drops, can easily connect your iOS, Android, Win 10 device by one-time Wi-Fi connection. Screen synchronization without cables or adapters, it is convenient for you to enjoy fun, movies, games, and more, anytime, anywhere. Note, due to copyright restrictions, streaming content from apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video cannot be mirrored via Wi-Fi. Ultra-portable mini projector. This projector is very portable and can be easily placed in a backpack or handbag. Measuring just 5.9 x 5.2 x 2.3 inches and weighing only 0.88 pounds, making it effortless to handle whether you're traveling, hosting an outdoor movie night, or setting up a home theater in any room. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.